Next one is what is the output of given code? So character size is 1 byte, integer size is 2 bytes. Character array is called string. మన ఇక్కడ array name ఏంటి str. array size ఎంత 5. So 5 elements కి మెమరీ allocate అవుతుంది. First element, second element, third, fourth and fifth. ఇక్కడ array name is str. So character size ఎంత 1 byte. కాబట్టి starting address 500 తీసుకుంటే next address 501, 502, 503, 504. So starting value A, next character B, next character C, next character D. Next value is 0. So null character ASCII value is 0. So null character should be within the single quotes or /0. Next one is percentage s, str. What is str? str always gives the base address of an array. Base address is 500. 500 అనేది value replace అవుతుంది. Okay, so percentage s means it prints base address to up to null character and output వస్తుంది మనకి ABCD. సో ఈ కోడ్ రన్ చేస్తే మనకి అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది ABCD. సో alt F9, yes, control F9, alt F5. So ABCD is the output. ABCD.